Are you seriously right now considering drop shipping from Amazon Prime to eBay, or let's say from eBay to Amazon, or Home Depot to Amazon, Home Depot to eBay, or Sam's Club to Amazon, etc., etc.? Are you seriously considering that? Because what I want to warn you now is sellers who do that eventually get banned on Amazon, on eBay. Their Amazon Prime account gets banned. They eventually get caught and they get banned. Especially if you want to develop a business that you want to scale, be huge, long term, make money, but continually grow a business. If you have risk of getting banned as you scale it bigger, the risk gets bigger. It's a dead end business. Now, there are so many sad stories on the message boards, on the seller community on Amazon, of all these sellers who have gotten banned. They tried drop shipping. They had a VA in the Philippines helping them drop ship, or India, or Pakistan, or the United States, whatever. But they allowed a third party to run their Amazon store, and they were drop shipping. And it was from eBay to Amazon, or Home Depot to Amazon, or whatever. That's against the rules. So once they get found out by Amazon, customers get upset because they have a receipt in the box that says Home Depot or Sam's Club or Costco. Well, their account eventually gets shut down. Their money gets frozen, all that time and money invested, and they're probably at a loss, right? And they can't sell on Amazon anymore. It's over for them. So all the opportunity that they could have done private label or wholesale or even retail or online arbitrage, although those might be risky activities, even those, they can't even do anymore. They can't resell used books. Nothing. It's over for them because they wanted to drop ship. And they were, conned into doing it by shows on YouTube, right? The shows on YouTube. I made $10,000 last month on drop shipping on eBay, right? I made 20 grand a month on Amazon FBA drop shipping. So it's like, don't do it, guys. There's so many stories of people getting banned. Okay. Now, how can you drop ship on Amazon or eBay? They do have allowed in their terms of service ways to do it, but you need a supplier, a real wholesale supplier that will drop ship the goods according to the terms of service of Amazon. And really what you need is non-branded boxes and things like that. You need to look at the terms of service. I'll put them in the description if you want to read it and check it out. But guys, don't listen to these YouTube videos that were made 3 years ago about how their friends made all this money drop shipping from Amazon FBA Prime to eBay or to their own Shopify account, right? Or don't listen to even these well-respected sellers who still have these videos that they make tons of Google ad revenue on. They still allow these videos to play that basically, if people follow them, they eventually get banned. And they inflict a lot of pain on these people's financial situations. So I hope you heed this, and if you want to get into Amazon FBA, check out the rest of my channel because I am a successful Amazon seller. I sell wholesale. I work with brands to broaden their reach in the United States, and you can do the same thing. So check out my channel for more content. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.